From the old, or non-existent, to the new. A new playground can be transformative for any daycare, school, neighborhood, park, or business. Just look at these kids. Here's just one example, a playground we designed and installed at a church pre-K. PlaygroundEquipment.com crews disassembled the old and built the brand new. A main structure with several additional play pieces, all topped off with poured rubber surfacing and fencing. The centerpiece is the Ladera Heights play system. It has a ton of amenities for kids to immerse themselves in fun play and exercise. Up top are 3 sets of slides, a double slide, a twisty left turn slide, and a wavy slide, real wavy. A Bones Bridge connects different platforms and makes getting from here to there so much more interesting. Twin roofs make a playground statement and provide shade. A gear panel has kids turning wheels, hand to brain. Getting up top is just half the fun. Down below, Ladera Heights has a rock hole climber, like the big kids, only safer, and an exciting pod climber for the trip up or the trip down. Children can take a turn at the ship's wheel or take a seat at the bench panel. The lower level has additional accessories. PlaygroundEquipment.com can help plan and customize that perfect playground, matching your needs, imagination, and budget. A pebble path and a zigzag balance beam help children perfect their balance while they happily hop along. Speaking of hopping, kids can hop on to Filbert Frog and romp through the swamp, where they might meet another happy reptile, after a while, crocodile. He's happy to carry one child or two on his sturdy back. Both spring riders are mounted on heavy-duty springs and have hand and foot holds for security and easy riding. Whether aspiring musicians or just making joyful noise to burn off energy, this pre-K has added musical instruments to their repertoire with drums, a metallophone, and glockenspiel. The playground is built for comfort, too. A bench and a cooling shade are the perfect place for kids and adults to rest and socialize. Topping it all off, literally, our crews installed poured-in-place safety surfacing, a great cushion giving the playground definition and real curb appeal. It's all finished off with fencing for added safety and security. Quick ship, customize, accessorize. At PlaygroundEquipment.com, you just name your tune. You can't beat that.